is click on file, click on new model. Okay, or you can click new model from here as well. After that you will see a dialog box. So use saved user default settings. So if you have saved any settings previously, then you can use this option, or use settings from a model file. If you got a file that has got settings, you can use this option. Or what we do, we normally choose the third option, that is use built-in settings with. So display units, US customary or metric SI or metric MKS. So we'll just click metric SI. And still section database, right now we don't need these many things, however it will give you some practice. Okay, so still section database, just click on this option over here and select any code that is followed in your country. For example, I live in Nepal and we follow Indian standard codes and databases, so I'll select Indian over here. Okay, so still design code, I'll select IS 800 2007, or you can select any other code. Okay, so concrete design code, I'll select IS 456 2000. So right now we won't be using these things, but you know, it's a good practice. Okay, so and click on OK. After that you get another dialog box that asks you about the grids. If you see over here, so add structural objects, so you can see that there are different templates available, okay, to draw many things. For example, if you want to draw a steel deck or staggered truss or a flat slab, so you got templates, right? But normally we start with grid only because it gives more flexibility. All right, which means that in ETABS we draw everything with the grids. You'll know this thing in a while in very much depth. So right now just click on OK over here. So we got three windows. Okay, so first one is the Explorer and second one is the plan view. So it is the plan view, and third one is the 3D view. Okay, so Model Explorer gives you information about the model, so you can get this information from the menu bar. So normally you don't need this window, so I prefer to close it. Okay, so after that you got two windows, one says the plan view, another says the 3D view. Okay, these two views are of the same object, right? So whatever you draw over here, it will be reflected on this window as well. You are seeing the same object in different views by side windows. Okay, now if you